Thank you for tuning in to our first UiPath RPA video. This is the first of several videos in our RPA Developer beginner collection, and we hope to provide a step-by-step understanding of robotics process automation, particularly aligned to UiPath. By the end of this video, you should understand the meaning of RPA, get a brief overview of how RPA works, get an idea of business functions where RPA can apply, and understand the benefits of RPA. Robotics Process Automation, or RPA, is the use of software robots to perform system-based tasks that would have otherwise been performed by a human being. In this context, a software robot is built and taught to work on a process, something that is similar to the training of an employee. The bot follows the steps of the process, including launching a system, logging in, say using a username and password, transacting, and even communicating with humans where needed. Take a look at this simple automation. RPA can be used in any rule-based process that uses a system. A system in this case can range from MS Office tools, Notepad, legacy systems, to sophisticated systems such as ERP, CRM, and core banking systems. With this in mind, we can now see that there are multiple use cases that can be derived from various industries such as banking, insurance, manufacturing, healthcare, utilities, and other industries, with processes such as invoicing, claims processing, reconciliations, reporting, order management, employee onboarding, merchant payments, data validation, end-of-day processes, among others. RPA has several benefits, among them increased accuracy, for example in data capture. There are processes that involve the movement of data from one system to another, for example from an Excel worksheet to an ERP system, or from an email to a CRM. This, when done manually, can have a lot of inaccuracies when capturing the data, but with the inclusion of RPA, the level of accuracy can be improved. Consistency. The robots work the same way depending on their design. For example, if they are to send a notification at the end of a daily process, we expect them to perform this action every day and not forget on some days. Availability. Robots can work 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Ease of scaling up or down. And there's a lot of work to be done. More robots can easily be deployed. The reverse can be done when there's little work to do. The decision to scale up or down can be made within a few seconds, as opposed to downsizing or upsizing human resources, whereby some HR decisions and processes have to be considered. RPA is non-invasive. It works with existing systems, just as a human employee is trained to work with systems that they find at an organization. Eliminates repetitive work. Employees are relieved of mundane tasks and can become engaged in activities that require human judgment, such as exception handling. They can even get time to now engage in self-development activities such as studying. All these benefits feed into compliance and regulatory requirements, satisfied customers, efficient operations, and reduced operational costs. RPA does not eliminate the need for human resources. Bots and humans form a great team. Human resources play a key role when it comes to judgmental calls within a process. Remember that robots follow rules and might not be in a position to make judgmental calls. Humans also come in to handle exceptions. A robot can be designed to perform a process and send its exception to a human for action. An example would be in paying merchants from an Excel sheet with merchant data, including account numbers. If one merchant's account number is not included, that specific payment can be marked as an exception and forwarded to a human who will contact the merchant for account details. So far, we have looked at the definition of RPA, how it works, its applicability, and benefits. In our next video, we shall be looking at processes that are fit for RPA and how one can identify such processes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more RPA content.